Days after the Supreme Court overturned Roe versus Wade, healthcare professionals are really looking at state laws. They're trying to determine how their care is going to change now.
Yeah, fertility specialists across the country discussing the future of the way they treat their patients.
Courtney Friedman spoke with a leading local voice in fertility and obstetrics about what the law means for his patients.
30 days after the Supreme Court struck down Roe v. Wade, a trigger law will go into effect in the state of Texas that bans all abortions except in rare cases to save the life of a pregnant patient. So does that law affect fertility treatments?
And the Texas law, specifically talks about a pregnant individual. And so as of now, our understanding is this should not directly affect fertility care.
Dr. Randall Robinson is the chair of the obstetrics and gynecology departments at UT Health San Antonio and University Health, and he's also a renowned infertility specialist. He's been listening closely over the past few days to colleagues nationwide discussing what would happen if this ruling prompted other laws that defined life as beginning at conception.
Is that something you're concerned about when it comes to freezing embryos and eggs?
I'm personally concerned about that. If additional legislation would be passed, that would make it a lot more difficult to provide that family building that we want to provide for our patients.
But without the current laws mentioning embryo status or so-called personhood definitions, Robinson is continuing care as usual.
Couples who, are desiring to build their family, that would be the opposite, of what we're talking about.
Courtney Friedman, KSAT 12 News.